Hello everyone, my name is Brooke and I am with RPAC Art Center and Academy and RPAC Gallery, both located in downtown Ridgefield, Connecticut, right on Main Street. And we wanted to announce our new launch of our virtual gallery because during this time of quarantine, we cannot have our gallery open to the public, and we want to provide you a virtual experience as if you were in the gallery in person to see the wonderful art that our featured guest artist Frankie Vinci and our RPAC resident artist have on display, and welcome you to take a tour of the gallery as if you were there. So here's a little quick tutorial on how to get there and how to navigate through the tour. So we would start with going to rpacartcenter.com. It'll take you right to the homepage. You can click right onto gallery, and what you'll see here is that right underneath the banner, it's loading RPAC Gallery. So depending on your internet speed and your connectivity, it will determine how long it takes to load. And here we go. So what we'd like to do is this is supposed to be a mirror image of what our gallery looks like in person. And it's a pretty good replica of it with a few variations just due to the customization of the program. But what you can do is you kind of use your little feet. You can use your mouse and hold and click as you move to where you want to go, or you can use the arrows on your keyboard. So left would go left, right to right, up would go towards the image. And what's really neat is that you can click on the image and it will give you a pop-up, the name of the piece. So in this case, this is Mr. Fahrenheit, which is a piece of Frankie's. And it is a mixed media, the dimensions, the price, and then also this is the link to the rpacgallery.com to actually see it and get some more information. So what we're suggesting is highlight it with your mouse, right click, and go to address in new tab, and it will open up a new window. And it'll take you right to rpacgallery.com. And here is Mr. Fahrenheit and the image and the same information. You're more than welcome to add it to your cart if you so incline. You can do a live preview, augmented reality, where you can kind of see what it would look like in a live setting. You could do a wall preview where if you want to see how it would look above your sofa in your family room or in your office wall, whatever it gets you excited about how the piece would look in your home. There's also other pieces here of Frankie's work that you can also look at. If we go back to the tour, you could just exit out of there and just continue walking through the gallery as if you were physically in person, which is really nice. And then you can see how all the pieces are lined up. And again, you simply just click on the image and it will give you another pop-up. The name of this piece is Blue Submarine by Lily Furtick. It's medium, the dimensions, the price, and again, the link that would take you to the site. Simply right-click and go to Address a New tab, and it takes you right here. And if you have not been to rpacgallery.com, what's really neat about this site is that we have our originals, and then we also have our art prints. So we have a shopping cart where you can choose your own medium, your size, and your style. So for instance, if the original piece was too big or too small and you want it framed, or you want it on some kind of other paper or canvas, you can choose that here and customize it to your liking. And then you can preview it again on your wall as if it was physically there. And then if we come back, and you can just keep walking and take a look at all the pieces that are on exhibit currently at RPAC Gallery at 410 Main Street in Ridgefield. So if you have not been to our gallery in person, this is a pretty good mirror image. And again, like I said before, there's some variations just due to the customization of the program. This has a fellow guest. There's another visitor doing the virtual tour with us. And it looks like his name is John. So I'm not sure we can talk with each other, but hi, John. So that's kind of how it all looks. And we hope that you enjoy the tour. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can give us a call at area code 203-894-5609 or email us info@rpacgallery.com. Even though our gallery is closed to the public during this time, we are here and available to help. Just give us a call or email us. Out of sight is not out of mind, and we appreciate you supporting local business, and we wish you to be healthy and safe, and we will see you very soon. Thank you so much.